All right, today let's talk about the power of MES contracts. They can be very powerful. Most traders just aren't consistent yet. Either they don't have a system that works, or they're not in control of their trading. You've got to have a system that works, and you've got to be in control of your trading. You've got to know where you're at before you enter a trade. You've got to know where price is going to be attracted to go. I don't predict it's really going to go there because I don't 100% know. We're just really good at knowing where price is going to bounce and most likely where price is going to be attracted to go. So we have a very nice high probability system. Now, over the last several days for sure, I have given you these strong ranges. I have given them to you with notations attached. Careful with longs below. Bull bear zone. This was just another range that I wanted us to test and play with. And it's interesting that when you go back and look, how well did we do there? How well did we do there? How well did we do here? How well did we do here? We spent most of the day here. How well did we do here? So in addition to learning our system, you also have me on your team to help craft a narrative on the chart. The power of MES. One MES contract. Nice results, small drawdown, and that's a really nice day. This is not going to happen every day. This was a beautiful trend day that I had beautiful entries. Look at the times of my trading. I was in here, let's see, that was 1 hour, that was 30 minutes. I traded half hour here, then I came back in the afternoon and I made one trade, got out at a tick. I don't mind the gift of break even. What do I care? And then I had a nice 10-pointer south. And then in a different account, I had a nice 10-pointer long. Look how well MES can add up. Now, you give a regular old chop day, which happens 90% of the time, it's going to be really hard to make 100 future points trading one contract at a time. But you get a good trend day, which happens 10, 15% of the time, and you can catch the right move and you know how to stay in that move, you can do very well. This is a 10-pointer. This is a 15-pointer. This is a 20-pointer. This is a 20-pointer. This is a 10-pointer. How many of those do you need before you can make a really good day for yourself? Not many. Now, I was telling my traders, the trade is short or flat. When we got to this zone here, we were playing some longs on a very small time frame. But I also noted, be careful with longs below if this thing wants to go down. Now, in our group, one of the things that we have, we call ranges. Everybody has that word, ranges, right? But I told the group this morning, if we get into the red zone, we're probably going to the bottom of the green zone, which happens to correspond with one of my strong levels that works very well. So when we double tapped this strong range, got back into this range, and it left me a nice entry, I went long and made 10 points. Yeah, I made 10 points on a long on a vomit day. But look what we did. We came right back to this range. We went from this range to this range to this range to this range. That's really fun. It makes a really fun day when you can be on sides and you're not looking to counter this. When this thing is vomiting down, should you be looking for longs? No, not until you get to the bottom of the range. Then you can start looking for longs. I told the group this morning, I said, what I'm looking for is, can we come into the range, come back up, and then I can go short. And that's what we got with this trade here. I took several contracts, and then it flushed in nice and hard and stopped at this range, and somewhere in here is where I took that profit. Took my several hour break You come back and see what's going to happen in the afternoon. You come in and grab a short. You come in and grab a long. 10 points, 10 points. You're done. You don't have to trade all day. You don't need to be staring at this all day. Take your break, know when you trade best, and trade when you trade best. If you're interested in an Emini or MES Futures Trading Group, check us out at microstrader.com. Stay green, my friends, and to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.